From the Australia News Network, this is the news on YLOTA 20.
This is a news on YLOTA 20 severe weather alert.
Hear that? You just missed a vivid lightning flash. Let's hope we have a very good lightning flash within the commercial break. I'm trying to watch the finale of The Amazing Race. If you haven't watched this YouTube video yet, this is part 2 of this almost severe weather alert of May 6, 2012. Areas to the south and west are under a severe thunderstorm watch until 10 p.m., which includes Tippecanoe, Carroll, Warren, Benton counties, Indiana. But White County is not under it. There was a line of storms that came from Illinois, east central Illinois, more specifically near Kankakee and the Watsika area, went southeast to hit Lafayette, West Lafayette directly, and now we're under this. And now here in Monticello, we have dodged the brunt of the storms, but now there are more heavy rainfall bands that are coming from the northwest into this area. So we've got some rain, but not heavy rain yet. And then the storm to the south has been producing some very vivid lightning and plenty of thunder. So we're going to be doing this video for you, and enjoy the vivid lightning flashes and thunder. Did I just saw a lightning strike? Wow, that's a #1 goal this summer. Try to capture a lightning strike. In the entire YouTube channel's YouTube history, it has only happened once, and it wasn't very big. So capturing a vivid lightning strike this summer break, well, that'll be one for the record books on this YouTube channel. And especially from this camera. With this party light, that makes it more of a good effect. Alrighty. So, I'm going to cut you off because The Amazing Race is now back on. So, I'll come back to you next commercial break of The Amazing Race.
Alrighty, instead of coming to you back in the next commercial break of The Amazing Race and doing some video footage of the vivid lightning strikes that went by the area later on in the storm, I decided to take a time-lapse video of how the storm progressed out of the Monticello area. More specifically, the storm to the south that directly hit West Lafayette and Lafayette areas. There were a few vivid lightning flashes, and some of these produced some very loud claps of thunder. And it did produce a bit of rain in the Monticello area, but it was enough to completely cover the ground with water, and we got some much needed rain without the need of severe weather. So that was good news. And this concludes this edition of the news on YLOTA 20. Clarence sponsor saying, have a nice day, or even if it's nighttime, and enjoy the rest of this time-lapse video of the vivid lightning as the storms leave the area. Goodbye.